working on a project here where I have a veneered panel and I want to inlay a narrow line of stringing. The best way to do that is to use a small plunge router and a tiny wee little bit here. The problem is the edge guide that comes with the fixed base for this router doesn't work on the plunge base. So I'm not going to let that stop me, and instead I'm just going to create my own quick and easy edge guide. It's nothing more than a piece of hardboard that I had laying around. Never throw away small scraps of hardboard. And then I've pin nailed a long fence on here, so I have a nice long bearing surface to keep the bit in line. Now I'm going to attach the edge guide to the router with a couple of strips of double-sided tape here. So I can peel off the backing, and then I can line up the bit right with that layout line and then press it in place. For such a light cut like this edge guide is going to do exactly what I need it to do, and I didn't have to wait for another edge guide to come in. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to create an edge guide for your router, look no further than your scrap bin.